Hi, Roger here from Google Cloud, and in this video, we'll have a look at how contact center AI can help the financial services industry by transforming your customer service. Various external events, like natural disasters, can have serious impacts on financial institutions. Such events can create an influx of requests from customers looking for information and support, but limited human resources, unprecedented network infrastructure loads, and restrictions on travel and working from offices can hinder financial services organizations' ability to deliver critical services to their customers and communities. This can put a huge strain on a number of infrastructure and core business systems. One area that bears the most strain is where customers directly interface with your business. Things like call centers and customer support lines can see unprecedented volume increases, and if you're not set up to handle the scale, your customers could suffer. For example, long wait times on hold or an email query going too long before being responded to can lead to unhappy customers and potentially long live conversations that drive up costs for call centers. The simplest solution is to increase your service forces to respond to demand. But that's not always as easy as it sounds. The cost of hiring and training new support workers can have a significant impact on your operational efficiency and your profitability. The bottom line is that during times of high-volume customer needs, your company will have to find the balance between offering exceptional customer service and personalized, intuitive customer care while increasing operational efficiency. Thankfully, Google Cloud Contact Center AI, CCAI, is here to help. CCAI uses artificial intelligence to converse naturally with customers and expertly assist human agents on more complex cases. CCAI's conversational core powers three key features. Virtual Agent gives customers 24/7 access to immediate conversational self-service with seamless handoffs to human agents for more complex issues. Agent Assist empowers human agents with continuous support during their calls by identifying intent and providing real-time, step-by-step assistance. Insights uses natural language processing to identify call drivers and sentiment that helps contact center managers learn about customer interactions to improve call outcomes. Let's see how contact center AI is helping transform the financial services industry.
Hi Prisha, thanks for calling our bank. How can I help?
Hi, I'd like to pay my bill.
Great. Can you please verify your address?
15 State Street. Oh, and how much is it?
Virtual Agent provides immediate conversational support with customers directing the flow.
You owe $150. Do you want to pay with the account ending in 1337?
Yes, please.
Done. I've sent an email confirmation. Is there anything else?
Virtual Agent can take care of basic fulfillment on the spot.
Yes, actually, there's a $35 charge I don't recognize.
From last week? It looks like it's an overdraft fee.
Oh, that's not fair. I didn't know.
Okay, let me transfer you to a specialist to help.
More complex cases are seamlessly handed off to a human agent.
Hi Prisha, I'm Elliot. I see you're concerned about the overdraft fee?
Yeah, I didn't know I would get charged.
Okay, I can waive the fee this time, but would you like overdraft protection so it doesn't happen again?
Agent Assist listens in, giving real-time, step-by-step guidance.
Yes, please.
Okay, I've set it up. Is there anything else?
No, this was great. Thanks a lot.
Lastly, Insights gives you real-time visibility into key call drivers and sentiment. But there are so many more places CCAI can be leveraged in financial services. For example, it can streamline the user's ability to manage their account information, like password resets. Or it can help facilitate the user paying their bills, activating or deactivating credit cards, or other types of transactions. CCAI can help with bigger scope tasks like helping customers generate and understand their credit scores, and view or redeem rewards for their memberships based upon transactions. With lots of features like sentiment analysis, multilingual support, automatic topic determination, and chat-level analytics, CCAI provides a versatile tool to handle a number of solutions to improve your customers' experience with your company. If you'd like to know more, visit the link in the description below. You can also subscribe to our Cloud YouTube channel for more great contact center AI content.